Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is just going to be a simple, quick get ready with me for a date night with my husband using the new Natasha Denona Camel Palette. Now, if I sound kind of rushed, I am. My husband's jumping in the shower and I'm supposed to be ready to leave when he gets out, but I'm a woman and that never happens, so YOLO. But we're going to a 90s party with a cover band that just covers 90s and early 2000s music, so I'm super excited. We've been wanting to check out this band for the last year, so they're right down the street from our house, so we're going, so I'm excited. But I did kind of already do my base, but I did do like my bronzer, blush, highlight, and eye look using this palette. Now, I have had this, I purchased it right when it released. I haven't had the best luck with Natasha Denona shadows, but I can say I love this. The shadows are perfect. If this is what everyone was saying is so great about Natasha Denona, I believe it. I wish this formula was in the Sunset palette I got, because I got the Sunset palette, I wasn't impressed, but this I love. But I'm going to swatch the shades for you really quickly. I do use all the shades on my eye, but here's what it looks like. Don't mind my nails. I broke my nail off. This sounds weird, but I was picking my bathing suit out of my butt crack and my nail ripped off, so it was like the deepest wedgie of life. I still haven't found the fingernail. I don't know where it is, but I'm gonna get my nails fixed soon, and they're so grown out. But I just got back from a 10-day vacation camping in a camper with kids and 2 dogs, one being a new puppy and my husband. It was, I don't know if I call it a vacation, but anyway, let's go ahead and jump into these swatches. If you don't want to see this, just go ahead and fast forward to the actual get ready with me. It will be a voiceover because my puppy was crying the entire time I was trying to film, so I couldn't actually talk. But here are the swatches. Okay, here are the first 3. The first one is the darkest shade. It's kind of cool toned, almost has like a grayish tone to it. And then the next one is a satin finish. It's what I have on my brow bone. And the next one is just a nice kind of lighter matte camel colored transition. All these feel very buttery and smooth. They're very easy to work with, but here are the first 3 shades. I never try to swatch with my other finger because it just never turns out right. But let me do the last 2 for you. Wipe these off because I'll probably get them all over myself. And the last 2, one is a really intense shimmer foiled shadow and the other one is another matte shadow. So I'll put the, and again, I do have all of these on my eye, but I'm really impressed with this palette. So here's all the shades swatched. I hope they're coming off as pretty as they look in person. These, you know, I wasn't gonna get this palette, but this is my shades. These are the shades I love. These are the shades I gravitate, I cannot talk, gravitate to. I love these shades. They're just almost like the baby poop color that I love. I think they look great on green eyes and blue eyes, so I definitely wanted to try this palette out. I'm glad I did. I love it. This will definitely be my travel palette. It has everything I need in it. It has the light brow bone shade. It has like an intense shimmer. You know, it has really beautiful mattes. These mattes blend out beautifully, effortlessly. They're not chalky. There's no fallout. Like, I'm really impressed. If the bigger pan palettes are this quality, I'm probably still not going to get them because they're almost $300, but if I was rich and could, I would definitely pick those up. But if you do want to try this out, I picked mine up from beautylish.com. I will leave that link down below if you're interested in getting it. But if you want to see how I got this look, I did kind of like a halo eye, like a kind of blown out, not too precise halo eye. But if you want to see how I got this, then just keep watching. Okay, so we're gonna go in with this first camel colored kind of mid-tone shade, and I'm using new brushes from Real Techniques and I really like them. They're a lot smaller, but I'm just gonna go ahead and really blend this out and blow it out in my crease area, and then blend it out with my Makeup Geek 242 blending brush. It's my favorite for just blending. Now I'm gonna go in with that second darkest shade with a smaller, more detailed brush and just start placing that all in my crease from inner to outer. And I just keep building it up. I cut a lot out, but I am building it up a lot. And then I just went back in and blended over it again so there's no harsh lines. Now I'm taking that same color on an even smaller brush and packing that on the outer and inner corners. Now again, I'm just blending it out, and now I'm going to go in with the darkest shade of the palette and a Makeup-y pencil brush and just very precisely place this on the outer corner. I'm going to tap and blend and then also add it to my inner corner as well. This isn't my favorite shade out of the palette. It has like a grayish tone to it. I don't know, I love the look, and then every time I put this color on it, I kind of don't. So I think next time I'm just going to grab like a chocolate brown out of my Jaclyn Hill palette. But I'm just cleaning up the lid. I'm not really like doing a cut crease or anything precise, just cleaning up where a lot of shadow fell so the other shades will pop. Now I'm going in with that really foiled, really dark bronze shade, and I'm just putting that on the outer edges because I'm going to go in and put a highlighter in the center just to make it pop. And I'm going in with the Prosecco Pop highlighter and popping that right in the center just to add some more dimension. And I do go back later in the tutorial and add another highlighter just because I want it more pop. And now I'm just putting that first shade on the lower lash line and blending it on the lower lash line and blending it out. This is actually a really easy look. I did this really quick. It's not very precise, and I feel like anybody can do it. Now I'm just going to go in my Marc Jacobs highliner in Brownie and put that right on my lower lash line. And then I'm going to go in with my Ofra highlighter that Ofra sent me, and I'm going to pop that on the inner corner, and I'm going to pop it on the center of the lid as well. This is Rodeo Drive. It is my favorite. Now with the power of editing, I have lashes and liner. Didn't want to show you guys that. It'll bore you. But now I'm going in with my favorite bronzer that Estee Lauder sent me, the Bronze Goddess. This is in light, and I'm just going to go ahead and lightly bronze. And then Kevyn Aucoin sent me this sculpting powder, so I'm going to pop that on and make the cheekbones pop. And then this powder blush that Ofra sent me that you guys see me use all the time. That is in Bellini. I love that shade. I'm going to pop that on too, as well as put that same Ofra highlighter on my brow. Oh, now I'm looking at my brow bone, my cheekbones, and then go in with the lightest shade of that palette and put it on my brow bone. Alright, now I'm just cleaning up my bronzer with the Becca Hydra Mist setting powder that they sent me. Thank you, Becca. And then using my Charlotte Tilbury nude lip liner with Jeffree Star Celebrity Skin lipstick, my favorite, and of course setting it with my new favorite Morphe Continuous Mist setting spray. But this is the final look. I hope you guys really enjoy it. I love you, and I'll be back real soon on a normal filming schedule. Mwah.